Driving Lessons. Newcastle, unleashing confidence behind the wheel. Don't just drive. Drive with confidence, skill, and the Novocastrian edge. Contact us now to book your driver training Newcastle and embark on this exciting journey. Why choose us? Lus. Years of expertise. Trust the legacy of experience as we shape proficient drivers in Newcastle with over 28 years of unmatched know-how. Tailored excellence. Our lessons are crafted experiences, providing structured, scenario-specific training for confident navigation on any road. Anxiety-free pricing. Say goodbye to worries about driving lesson prices with our transparent rates, ensuring accessibility without compromising quality. Yearly excellence. Beyond getting you on the road, we focus on creating top-notch drivers, annually equipped for a lifetime of safe and enjoyable driving.